Why is nobody talking about the fact that you can take this test and it gives you your interior design type and then it makes it super easy for you to decorate your house? This lady here just took my interior design quiz and she got type 7. These style guides are super useful when you're decorating your house because they explain to you exactly why you got a type 7 and what your different preferences mean. First, it gives you your top matching interior design style, and then it explains sister preferences. Sister preference is what happens when you change just one of your preferences. You're then given your top matching interior design styles because I don't know about you, I don't fit into just one interior design style, and that's because it's not about interior design styles, it's about your personality, what shapes, what textures, what colors you're drawn to. And knowing this is super helpful because then you can use Google and Pinterest and Instagram and TikTok to search those different terms. Then I give you several pages of those interior design styles so you can really narrow down to which one you prefer. Then comes the color palettes. This is my favorite part of the guidebook because you're given actual color palettes and rooms that are decorated to your preferences. Then there's a little bit talking about how you would make your space more maximal because type 7 is a maximal type, along with a checklist to help you achieve that look. Then we talk a little bit about the shapes that you prefer. This gives you inspiration for all the fixtures, textiles, plants, furniture, all different things to help you master your space. All you need to do is take this with you to the store whenever you're shopping. It's a digital file. You can take it on your phone. And then you compare what you want to buy to the things in this guide, and you'll always have things that look good together that match your personality. If you haven't taken the quiz yet, you can find a link to it in my bio. But remember, if it doesn't get you 100% right away, there's a link at the end of the quiz to download the free primer. Once you download that, you can look through all the different interior design personalities and really nail your preferences down. Hope that helps.